Thank you. Thank you for your... Uy. Saba, dito ka sa gawas. Dito ba kasala ka?
Nakuha lang natin mo.
Sorry. Sige na. For sure. Okay. It's summertime here in Philippines. That's why I'm wearing like this. Comfortable clothes. I will not go outside in afternoon. I go out with in 9 a.m. and the p.m. is 4 p.m.
Ano
Because it's so
napinig
hot.
si pamak na ko.
Abot ka na siya mo.
Umot ko.
Diyan siya pa ako.
May pa din ang ligo. Mali na
I
lang
like
ang ligo.
Nice look, we. Nice look. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, Magmonga. Thank you so much. And thank you so much. Hello, Mom. Hello, Magmonga. Oh, shout out. Oh, but you said you wanna be.
Madili man nga ang Minecraft.
Ha?
Dili man nga ang Minecraft. Mag-amag CR.
Ano man?
Ay, kung kabaloy na niyon. Ikaw yan ang Minecraft. Ang baloy. Dili. Kung may ngani. Ano? Ang Minecraft.
If the company where I work had an office in the Philippines, I would like to seek you. Yes. But what if not? What if no? In Philippines, I hope you have company in office in Philippines, so you can hire me as your secretary or what's even though even though janitor in your office or something like messenger,
Red. Huwag mo lubat.
cars coverage.
Red mo lubat. Ano red?
Yeah. As right now, I don't have any job because
Ano kaon?
it's hard to find job in Philippines.
Ano kaon?
Lang makaon dito sa re pagkatumpan.
Na. Kaon.
Pan?
Ano?
O sa rep lagi ko Kaya magirin. Kuasa. Skilit. Hello to Bow update about you. Always speak like that. Please respect guys on your comment.
Ma, mag-download ko ma.
Mm-mm.
Mag-ngani. Hindi may ngani. Mag-download.
As what I've said,
Ma.
it's been a
mag-download.
vacation of my channel.
Marawal
Pagilom sa
mag-download ko.
pagilom sa nang kalagyan pa ko dili. Vacation because I wait for 90 days before my reapply on this YouTube. So I am so busy in other platforms I didn't mention here because to have also that I'm not stressed, so I go in other platforms doing like vlogs too, like here. I enjoy the in live stream event, and some of the followers are just doing tasks. So Mary, wow, to Mary, are you single? Me, I am a single mom. I have my son, one son. I'm a single mom. I'm not yet married. We're just living partner of my ex, the father of my son.